Most people think you need to choose between historic charm and modern luxury in New Orleans. This unique listing offers both character and resort-style luxury. Come see what I mean at 44 Audubon Boulevard. A home originally built in 1920, meticulously renovated top to bottom, so you get preserved architecture with none of the compromises people worry about in a historic home. This is the heart of it, a true chef's kitchen, custom cabinetry, premium stainless steel appliances, wine cooler, and an oversized island that's built for hosting. The primary suite is its own retreat, a spa-inspired bath with an oversized glass shower and a walk-in closet that genuinely has room to spare. With 6 bedrooms across 3 levels, plus a private guest suite, there's real separation of space. Whether that's family, in-laws, or guests in town, everyone has their own corner. And here's a special detail that makes this home great for every stage of life. There's an elevator that takes you from the lower level to the primary level. Now this is where it gets really fun. The lower level is a world of its own. A speakeasy and tasting room with built-in beer taps, a game room and rec space, even an infrared sauna. And then you come outside and it stops feeling like a home and starts feeling like a resort. An in-ground pool with a tanning ledge, an outdoor shower, a full outdoor kitchen with a pizza oven tucked into lush tropical landscaping. Because this is New Orleans, the practical things matter just as much. There's a whole home generator so you're covered when the weather turns, off-street covered parking, and an EV charger. It's turnkey in every sense. So that's 44 Audubon Boulevard, historic architecture, a chef's kitchen, a lower level speakeasy, and a resort outdoor space, all on one of the best streets uptown. Offered at just under $3 million, homes like this don't come around often. If you're relocating to New Orleans or you're ready to move uptown, this is one to see in person. Call or text me at 504-344-0877 or send a DM and we'll set up a private showing. And if you love New Orleans real estate, subscribe to see more of the city.